Ladies and gentlemen, this is the InCharge all-in-one cable. Measuring at 110 millimeters, it's one of the world's smallest charge and sync cables for mobile devices. In this video, we're going to take a look at this cable and how it can help you keep your device charged throughout the day. Stay tuned. Before we get started, I want to let you know that Rolling Square did send us this cable for review. They also threw in a few extra cables to give away, so stay tuned because at the end of this video, I'm going to let you know how you can win one of these. With that said, let's get into it. So the original InCharge cables were designed to be portable. Rolling Square has maintained this design principle in their new all-in-one cable while adding some new features. The cables come in a variety of colors, and you can choose between TPE rubber or Eco leather. Because these cables are so small, you'll never have to worry about it getting tangled. And don't let the size fool you. These cables are flexible. Inside every InCharge cable are two neodymium magnets. This allows you to snap it to your bag, belt loop, or the included keyring. For me, having this looped on my keys is best because whenever I leave my house, I have my phone and of course my keys. And because this is a 3-in-1 cable, you're pretty much covered no matter what device you have. So let's talk about the functionality. The InCharge 3-in-1 cable goes from USB Type A to Lightning, micro USB, and USB Type C. The Lightning and micro USB are merged into one, and you can access it by sliding out the Type C port. One cable to charge them all. Let me show you how it works. Overall, the InCharge all-in-one cable is great. No matter where you loop it, it's not going to add a lot of weight, and if you're running low on battery, you'll always have a cable to recharge your device. The only thing that would make this cable better would be to have matching ports on either end. But that's okay because Rolling Square has plenty of cables to meet your charging needs. And speaking of variety, let's talk about this giveaway. So, as I mentioned earlier, Rolling Square did send us a few extra cables. These are the InCharge Universal Keyring cables, very similar to the all-in-one but offer fewer ports. For the giveaway, we have the USB Type-C to Lightning / micro USB, a Type-C to Type-C, and a Type-A to Lightning / micro USB. So listen, if you want to win one of these cables, click the link in the description. It'll take you to a page where you can enter. The winners will be drawn in 1 week, so make sure you hit that subscribe button and that bell notification in the event that you win. If you have any questions, leave them down in the comments below. I'll do my best to answer them. But that's going to do it for me, guys. Hit that like button and the subscribe button so you don't miss out on the giveaway announcement and more tech reviews. Big thanks to Rolling Square for sending us these awesome products to review. Links for the product page will be in the description for you to check them out. And as always, thank you guys so much for watching. I'm Jason, and I'll talk to you on the next one.